How to fix battery drain on iPhone on iOS 16. Here are some fixes that actually work. First, check what's using your battery. Open Settings on your iPhone. Then tap on Battery and review the apps using the most power. If an app is consuming excessive battery, update it or limit its background activity. Next, enable low power mode. Go back to Settings again. Then tap on Battery, then turn on low power mode. This reduces background activity and helps extend battery life. Now, turn off background app refresh for apps that don't need it. Go to Settings again, then tap on General, then tap on Background App Refresh and disable it for unnecessary apps. You should also reduce your screen brightness or turn on auto brightness by going to Settings. Then tap on Accessibility, then tap on Display and Text Size. Scroll down and enable auto brightness. If you're in an area with a weak cellular signal, your iPhone uses more power trying to stay connected. Turning on airplane mode when you don't need network access can help save battery. Next, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings again, tap on General, then tap on Software Update and install any available updates, as Apple often fixes battery-related bugs. Finally, check your battery health by going to Settings, tap on Battery, then tap on Battery Health and Charging. If the maximum capacity is very low or you see a service message, your battery may need to be replaced. And that's it. These simple tips can help reduce battery drain and improve battery life on your iPhone running iOS 16. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.